Hello, my TED Talk is about air pollution and the effects it has on human health. What is air pollution? Air pollution can be defined as the presence of toxic chemicals or compounds, including those of biological origin, in the air at levels that pose a health risk. Air pollution is probably one of the most serious environmental problems confronting our civilization today. What is causing air pollution? Most often, it is caused by human activities such as mining, construction, transportation, industrial work, agriculture, smelting, etc. Natural processes such as volcanic eruptions and wildfires may also pollute the air, but their occurrence is rare and they usually have a local effect, unlike human activities that are ubiquitous cause of air pollution and contribute to the global pollution of the air every single day. Effects on human health. Air pollution threatens human health in various ways. It causes lung disease and other respiratory problems. Air pollution has short and long term effects. Some short term effects include exacerbation of asthma, meaning it can irritate or worsen your asthma. It can cause coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Some long-term effects are stroke, lung cancer, and respiratory issues, or cardiovascular disease. Who does air pollution affect the most? Air pollution can affect anyone at any age, but there are certain people that it can affect the most. People already with lung cancer, asthma, cardiovascular disease, or anyone with major health issues. Adults over 65, infants and younger children are strongly affected, people who work or exercise outdoors, smokers, and so on. What can be done to prevent air pollution? There are many ways you can prevent air pollution from harming yourself and others. You can monitor pollutants in your home. You can use air filters if you have access to them. Avoid harsh chemicals when cleaning. Conserve energy by turning off lights and appliances when you're not using them. Don't smoke if you are able to stop. Walk, cycle, or use public transportation whenever you can. Be a part of the solution, not a part of the pollution.